So this is keyboard and mouse pad. I got it only for 299 rupees on Amazon. So before talking cons of this product, let me tell you its pros. The first thing is its quality. So this is a high quality mouse pad. So this has stitched edges in all four sides. So this will be durable, and this has rubber coating in the back side of the mouse pad, so it won't slip while typing or moving your mouse. So the size of this pad is 800 into 300 millimeter. So you can just measure the size of it. This pad is very large, guys. It covers keyboard and mouse and leaves some extra space, so you can keep other things also. If you have a small table, it won't fit. You should have at least one 4 to 6 feet table. The mouse was easily moving on this pad, so no problems while moving mouse or using keyboard, and this material is very soft. And the thing is, this pad is water and spill resistant, guys. If you accidentally spill your water or tea or coffee or any liquid, you can easily wash, and this will be good to use again. So in the box you'll only get mouse pad, and the actual cost of this mouse pad is 900 rupees, but you will get it only for 300 rupees. So this pad is from RPM Euro Games brand, and the design of this pad is very good. So you will get deep black in the center of the pad, and to the right side you will get one G logo with blue color. This is cool, and the design looks very good, guys. And for gaming, this gives next level experience, guys. If you hover the mouse on this pad, this is super smooth. So you can give appreciation by subscribing to our channel and hitting that sweet like button, so it gives motivation to make videos, and it's free. Link to buy this product is in the description. So that's all. Meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.